Students, it is class 8 computer studies class. Chapter number 1, OS and GUI roles and functions. OS stands operating system. GUI stands graphical user interface. Before we discuss these two topics, now we will discuss about the computer. Computer is a device which is used in various fields. Where we are using, at home we are using, bank, educational institutions, industries, in various places we started to use the computer. Without computer, none of the work is moving nowadays. Now, consider a computer. It has two major components. One is hardware. The second one is software. Hardware is a device or it is a part of a computer which you can see and you can touch. Examples are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. These are the examples. Now we'll discuss about the topic software categories. First one is system software. The second one is application software. These are the two categories. First, what is software? Software means set of instruction which is used to perform a specific task. Software means set of instructions, set of program which is used to perform a particular task. There are two categories, system software and the application software. Under this system software categories only, operating system comes. These two softwares will be written with the help of a language. It is written in low-level language. Low-level language. Language means it is a computer language. Application software written in high-level computer language. Now we will consider the example for system software. Example for system software is operating system. What are the various operating system we know? Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS for the Apple company, and Ubuntu, it's a free OS. Consider the application software. Nowadays we are using various application software in computer as well as in the mobile. For example, if you want to type the document, we are using MS Word. If you want to perform the calculations, we are using MS Excel. If you want to present a presentation, then we are using MS PowerPoint. If you are considering the mobile, WhatsApp is a type of application software. I hope you have understood. Software has two categories, system software and the application software. It is a set of instruction which will perform a particular task. If you want to use the software, it should be written with the help of the computer language. The system software written in low-level computer language, application software written in high-level computer language. Language means if you want to communicate with each other, we require a language. Likewise, if you want to communicate with a computer, we should know a particular computer language. The example for system software is operating system. Because of this topic only, we are covering the software topic. Operating systems comes under the software topic. Operating system is the best example for the system software. These are MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, WhatsApp. We are using various Paytm, Payball. These are the various application softwares. Now we will discuss about operating system. As per the last point, operating system is a type of system software. It is a type of system software. Without OS, computer cannot work. If the operating system is not there, the computer will not work. The third point is, it is an interface between user and the computer. You have to remember these 3 points. Operating system is a type of system software. Without this OS, without this operating system, the computer cannot work. The third point is, it is an interface between the user and the computer. Who is the user? You and me is a user. Yes. What the third point says, it is an interface between the user and the computer. If the user wants to communicate with the computer, we have to send the instruction to the OS. OS will transfer that instruction to the computer. If the computer wants to communicate with a human, it transfer their views to the OS. The OS will convey the information to the user. It is an interface between the user and the computer. OS is the interface between the user and the computer. The next point is booting. Booting is a process. When we turn on the computer, the OS will start to load. It's loading the OS. That is called as booting. When we turn on the computer, the operating system will start to load. That process is called as booting. Now we will discuss about the operating system structures, how it works. In the book they have given a diagram. page number 2, they have given a diagram. And already we have discussed operating system is an interface between the user and the computer. Now the user, with the help of the applications or the system software, they are communicating with the OS. That OS will give the input in the computer hardware. Now consider, if you want to play the music, if you want to play the example is, if you want to listen the music, if you want to listen the music in the computer, what you will do? First you have to use the application software or the system software. Now consider the VLC player. It is a type of application software. Then it will give, the VLC player will give the information to the OS to play the music. Then the hardware, it will execute, or it's the speaker, it will produce the sound. The user will give the instruction to the application software. The application software give the command to the operating system. Then it will produce the result. It is a interface between the OS is the interface between the user and the application software. This is the operating system structures. The user will communicate with the OS through the help of the applications or the system software. When we are giving the instruction to the OS, then OS will perform that particular task and it will be executed with the help of the computer hardware. This is the basic operating system structure. The operating system has two major objective tasks. It has the two major tasks. First one is it makes the computer easy to use. Second one is managing the resources. The operating system makes the computer easy to use. The second point is it manages the resources. Resources are the part of the computer. What are the resources which is present in the computer? CPU is there, memory is there, then input output devices are there. All these devices are considered as the resources of the computer. Central processing unit, main memory, it allocates the locations, and then input output device. Input device example is keyboard, output device example is maybe monitor, maybe the printer. All these resources are managed with the help of the operating system.